Off the east coast of South Africa exists a wilderness where an extraordinary coalescence of fauna and flora can be found. A flourishing ecosystem with unimaginable biodiversity. And yet, this wild realm of natural exuberance was once on the brink of extinction. Shamwari Private Game Reserve was born out of the need to restore and conserve this land with all its abundance of wildlife and ecological diversity. Home to 5 of South Africa's 7 biomes, this unique intersection of nature harbors a plethora of animal and plant life, exemplifying the elegant allure of Mother Nature in all her glory. A threatened ecosystem is now thriving once more, a culmination of 30 years of dedicated perseverance in conserving a vanishing way of life. Whether on guided walks or traversing the endless splendor of the reserve on a vehicle, the majestic wildlife encounters will leave you awe-inspired and reconnected to the natural world. Our ethos is centered around pursuing an holistic and expansive approach towards ensuring the development of a dynamic and sustainable conservation model. The reserve hosts an array of eclectic luxury lodges, embodying the essence of their natural surroundings. In our culture, the name Shamwari translates to my friend, and our friendships with nature, the environment, our guests and our local communities ensure that this undertaking is sustained for future generations to come. We welcome you to an experience like no other. Join us and be part of this way of life. Shamwari Private Game Reserve, 30 years in conservation.